Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video we are going to be learning how to sign up for college-bound scholarship. Before getting started, let me tell you that if you are a public school student in Washington state, you cannot directly sign up for college-bound scholarship. Instead, students are automatically considered based on their participation in the academic mentoring program for at least 1 year during their senior year. But if you are a homeschooled or private school student in Washington state, then the first thing to do is to launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in wsac.wa.gov/college-bound and search. You will now end up on this page, where you will be able to see the contact college-bound information on the right-hand side of the screen. Contact the college-bound program at this particular number displayed on the screen, which is option 1. Make a phone call and contact on this number and tell them that you'd like to apply for scholarship. You or your parent will likely need to complete and return a separate application form to initiate the process. Another option is to go ahead and email on this particular email address and apply for scholarship. Remember that you will need to meet income eligibility requirements determined by your college based on an FAFSA or WASFA application completed during your senior year. So that is how you can easily apply and sign up for college-bound scholarship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.